Hi and welcome to video number 2. It's Carl here again, and in this really quick video I just wanted to give you a brief overview really of some of the advertising types that are offered to you by Google AdWords. To do that, I've just opened a few tabs here at the top of the screen, and we're just going to go through each one and describe the three main advertising options that Google provides. In the first tab you can see it's just a standard search page, and you can see in the top search bar here I've actually searched for the term locksmith in Leeds. And as a result, we have the results below, which, as you would expect, are all to do with locksmiths and locksmith services. Now, if we look closely at the top two results here, you'll see next to them it actually says ad. Also, if we scroll over to the right-hand side here, it says ads again, and everything below there on the right-hand side are all Google ads. This is what we would call search advertising, and the way it works is very simple. Somebody searches a term, and the results in the page that show up and the ads are all related to that search term. Obviously, this can be a very, very powerful way of advertising. If somebody is searching for a locksmith in Leeds, you can be quite certain that's exactly what they're looking for, which obviously makes this an extremely powerful way to advertise to potential customers. Okay, moving on. So we're going to look at the second tab, and on this one I've just got about.com open, and this is to show you the display network. Now, the display network is essentially a group of a very large group of sites that opt into Google's display network, and as a result, they can show targeted ads on their own sites. The reason this is good for you as an advertiser is you can choose to be shown on websites. There are a number of ways to target this, and I don't want to go too deep into it in this video. But what it means is, instead of showing an ad on the search results, you also have the option to show an ad on other sites, and we can see an example of a couple of ads just here. If we scroll down, the top one here, PlusNet broadband. If we just scroll down a tiny bit, we can also see another ad here which looks to be for some type of weight loss. So that's the display network. Obviously there's a lot more to it, and we will go into that later in the course, particularly when we look at remarketing. Okay, and the final tab up at the top here, number 3, where you can see that I've searched for Nike trainers. And again, we're back in the search results. However, we're not looking at these ads over here. Again, we know these are search ads with the ad next to them. What we're actually looking at are the sponsored shopping results over here. As you can see, unlike the ads to the left-hand side, these have actually got images with them. This is a little bit more advanced, and it actually uses another product of Google's called Google Merchant Center. Again, this is something that we don't want to really go too deep into now, but it's a fantastic way of advertising, and if you are a retail business, I highly advise getting this set up. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you got some useful information out of this, and I will see you in video number 3.